Hi, my name is Daviana Davis, and this is for my business, ethics, and legal environment final discussion, assignment. It is August 24th at 8:30 p.m. And I want to discuss the statement from Kevin Brown's IRS Commissioner of the Small Business Self-Employment Division regarding a recent case involving the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. So after reading this journal or article, I discovered ethically they just missed a very important piece of information. It was valuable to the business overall, and they ended up assessing about $10,000 in civil money penalty against the Tampa-based MSB. Ethically, it could have been an easy mistake. Oh my God. It could have been an easy mistake. But ethically, they should have been on top of all of the requirements to fulfill what you're supposed to do. This company was a sole propriety business, which gave, it a little bit of leeway because it was a small business. But financially, it backfired on them. This was ultimately an issue because they didn't follow guidelines to have and keep the company that they were, trying to maintain. In the article, it states that the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network announced today that Frosty Food Mart consented to the assessment of a civil money penalty in the amount of $10,000. Frosty Food Mart is a money service business located in Tampa, Florida. I personally feel like $10,000 is a huge penalty, but technically you have to pay to play, and if you don't follow the directions that were given to you to have and keep a business, then that's what you decided not to keep up with, and the end result was what it was. You ended up owing a lump sum of money. They failed to develop and implement a written anti-money laundering program reasonably designed to ensure compliance with the Bank Secrecy Act, which led in turn to a failure to file 80 currency transaction reports. That's a lot of transaction reports to fail to turn in. So ethically, it sounds like they were hiding something or doing something shysty, which is a crime. And they ended up having to pay for the actual crime. In my opinion, you have to uphold your end of the bargain, or you will end up with these type of repercussions as they did currently. And this was just one of the ones that they fell short of. It gave that they were hiding things, hiding money, hiding the way the money was spent or used. It just gave they needed to be punished because they were keeping some type of secret in whatever shape or form it was. So ethically, the business, the food mart, was built off of secrecy. And so ethically, they didn't stand on great business ethics, being on top of their paperwork. And in the end, they got charged a pretty penny for not doing so.